Hey guys, today we have a Bissel Power Fresh steam mop to show you. I already have the steam mop assembled, which was a very quick and easy thing to do, but today we're going to focus on a few of the huge benefits that make me really like the steam mop. And of course, I'm going to save the best towards the end of this video. First off, the steam mop is very lightweight, so it is easy to carry around and use on a daily basis. It's got a nice handle at the top. You can wind the cord to get it out of the way when you're done mopping. And then down below, it even comes with a little place where you can keep your brush attachment so you don't have to go hunting for it while you are in the middle of cleaning. And here in the front area, you have a convenient button to choose your steam intensity options from high, medium, or low. And now I'll show you the number one reason why I like this mop. The swivel head lets you really get into every nook and cranny, every corner and every edge. Take a look at how easy it is not to only steer the steam mop, but also how easy it is to turn it. And then when you're done, you can quickly and easily remove the micropad and insert a new one for your next cleaning. Meanwhile, the dirty micropad gets thrown into the washing machine so you always have a clean one to rotate to.